guys, so last night I begged my cousin braid my hair, and she come from 7:30 and finished around close to 12, and it's still not finished. So she came back this morning to come finish the braid on hot water and trim it up. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, very early, and I'm not used to this, but when I'm in Jamaica I wake early. Yeah, so I'll vlog when my hair is finished so you can see the finished results. Alright, so I'm about to eat for breakfast fried egg and bread. YouTube. I'm gonna go drink it's melon water. I'm used to the strawberry one. I never had this before, but I don't drink tea unless I'm sick, so that's why I'm drinking juice. You better than dog. It look nice. Alright guys, so I just got my hair finished and I just put on my makeup because I'm about to go on the road. Hopefully we can make it God's home to go deal with some stuff for my aunt, you know. But yeah, I did my makeup, but boy, I was in Jamaica hot. But my cousin drew me here and said, no man, you can't come from far and have this hot hairstyle and you know put on no face. So yes, me fix up my face. And yeah, so when I put on my clothes, I'll show you guys, or when I'm on the road, I got home. Up at the house, and no work man now work today, but see the outside here. And you probably can't even outside. So a window them are glowing now, and then up here so. Okay, black did gravel. So in here so a car porch or garage, you can say. And then here, ceiling high. They put on tile like brick. It looks so good. And then I go up a veranda now. See veranda here. Ballista, our sexy girl, they look good. They look like Audi sign. And then see veranda. And look at a nice brick tile. Looks so good. And then one little step, big carport. And the inner garage a tile. Yeah, it looks so nice, guys. And I'm so happy I'm like finally seeing it now, cause like I'm here seeing it in person. Whoa, I tile them big for true. Whoa. See tile in a alright, here's the living room and dining room over there. So I don't wanna give you guys like a complete tour because I wanna wait till like a week come December and everything is like finished and like furnished out a little bit of stuff. This a little kitchen area. Washroom. Ross, look how Elizabeth. Oh, I hate them so much. In here, so a master bedroom. Ross, I saw your closet big. Boom, you got a nice size closet. Like you can literally walk in. Right. No man want this a foreign. And master bedroom, bathroom. Whoa, it's sweet. So my aunt was going for like a modern, minimalistic look. Is that what it's called? You know, like black and gray, you know, marble. Like it looks good. A little seat, a nice shower. Here, and the wall fit tile. And now we are go to regular bathroom. See bathroom here. It no finished tile yet. We are got tone now for buy some more tile. No, I see a little bathroom there and somebody else's house over there. So, and this is when I bathroom there. So our two bed them I go like here, or this and this. The two bed. Oh, I don't know. No, but I'm saying how would they go? This or here and here. Oh, so it's yeah.
And then I have a space in between, and then there are a space.
Oh. This coming along very nicely. Hopefully everything can get like finished by the time we come December for vacation, but it looks amazing. So yeah, that's just like a little tour that I gave you guys, because I know like you guys saw when the foundation was digging. I don't know if I vlogged when they were laying the block or the roof. I think I did vlog it, but I never posted it because I didn't really vlog that much. But you guys see like a little tour of like the process now. I do know that you guys saw like the digging when the house was just starting. But yeah, that's a little tour of the house. It's not complete yet, so in December you guys will see like the actual finished product. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm going to tone. Alright guys, so now I'm about to go show you guys like the back of the house, because she's making a little back veranda area, but it not done black and render yet. So I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, done black, but if it just flush and render, something like that. I don't know much about house, you know. Guys, I'm afraid I see some little lizard on the damn ground. I mean, no, something big, but and then small. But see, it back porch veranda. It's still them gone up, and this side door will lead to one I back room them. So you can't leave from the back room to come up on the little veranda. You know, sit down, look out on the damn bush, and drink some drinks and just go and build. So yeah, like I'm very proud of my aunt. Like she fucking worked. Sorry, excuse my language. She busted her butt off to build my house, and like it took a lot, but you know it'll all be worth it in the end. You know, I'm so proud of her. But yeah, so that's a little sneak peek or tour of the house, although you saw everything, but you didn't really see like everything, because like, you know, tile stuff are going, vanities, mirrors, and then, you know, you'll fix up place with like the lights and stuff like that, really bring it all together. So you guys will see that in December, hopefully, when we come down. I just pray and hope that everything can finish, so when we come, we'll come in our nice clean house, you know. So yeah. Alright, hi guys. So right now we're there at Flatbridge or River Road, and you probably heard about how everything flooded out and sitting there. It water look kinda high-ish. Yeah. You have to sit up. I know I'm on my way to Tone now, and yeah, I don't know, and it definitely changed because I see some like little rock, like, you know, like where the bridge has somewhere, right them like come off, so like it bad, and I guess they might try to fix it. But I think they would close it, but I guess it's not closed. When I get to the part where the actual bridge, I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, see it's flat bridge here.
This is the actual bridge.
The actual bridge, yeah. And then look on the water. And then all the sand and stuff will then come down and then heap it up. Alright guys, so I'm still on my way to town, but we're stopping at a gas station to get a little snack, you know, a little ketchup. So we get one spicy Bigfoot and me cran strawberry water. So I'm about to drink and eat this, and then I'll see you guys when I reach home. Just come out to one store called Tools. We buy more tile for the garage outside to go on the wall. So then just check it, you know, make sure no crack or no damage, and then we just put it in car. Guys, this mask thing not gonna work out with me, you know. You know, this is sun hot. Jesus Christ. In a store, we're looking for granite countertops. Yeah, so we just want like one big piece to put on the My aunt is like so funny, but like I love this. I just like a little hints of sparkle carry off for me. If it was like more marbly or did have like more gray, but I like this. I like it. This stuff. It look nice. Alright guys, we not home and things. I look at like we run out of bathroom tile, but we run out of bathroom tile, and they don't have the one that we're using, so we're trying to find something else that's kind of similar to it. Like, you know, my aunt, she has like final say of everything because, you know, it's her house or whatever, but like she just giving like a hard time right now. Like sometimes her mood just changes and she makes everything like so difficult, and I'm freaking fed up right now. My feet hurt, me not feel good, me sick, like I'm just over it.
You want this funny wall?
Alright, we're looking at tile to go at the shower floor.
You wanna put this funny wall?
I like them two here.
It's a drum look, bathroom look.
Does you see anything you like? Guys, look at the damn people. Swell up. Yeah, like, I don't know if I must get the eyes. Or what? Look at that. This is the one con with Jamaica, I swear. Look. Guys, we just leave Don's hardware or electrical store. Boy, so we need electricity obviously, and JPS we come and pass the house. So we buy stuff with them, a post set up or whatever. We need wire, and guess how much feet? How long is the wire? How much feet? 700 feet? 1,000, just say it. 1,200 feet of wire we need. And about $300,000 for wire alone. So boy, for build a house take money. Why? But we have to go buy a wire because it wanted. So we are going to do that Monday and buy a wire so the house can, so it like can get fit deal with, and JPS can come and pass the house. So hopefully December we can have current. Yeah. I know we're leaving town now. I'm about to go to stop Angels probably and get some KFC to eat. So yep. Guys, we put on a piece of sleep on the right front town. Come on, sitting there. I feel a little bit more energized, you know. But look at the line for God. KFC drive-thru. And they wrap all the way around. Alright guys, so I just came off of the road from town or whatever. And I'm so like exhausted. I was like falling asleep on my way back from town or whatever. We went back up to the house to drop off the tile and stuff that we bought earlier today. We did that, and now I'm here. I go to lie down because boy, I'm so tired. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tomorrow it's Sunday, so it's a chill day, so our store not really open like that, so I'm not gonna do nothing about the house. We're just gonna chill back with some family member. I'm gonna go to the store in the morning. Now cook local food. When I cook some rice and peas and stew chicken, you know, probably buy one buckle of rum and, you know, we just sit down and eat and, you know, build, laugh, you know. So hopefully it'll be something worth vlogging and you guys get to see that, you know, bear vibes and joke and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.